Number 4. An object that weighs 1 pound on Earth weighs 1,700 pounds on the moon. Zach's dog weighs 17.5 pounds on Earth. How much more does his dog weigh on Earth than on the moon? So first we need to figure out how much his dog weighs on the moon. We know on Earth he weighs 17.5 pounds. But on the moon, for every pound, he weighs 1,700 of a pound. So if I know that he is 1 pound, then I know that's 1,700. 2 pounds would be 1,700 plus 1,700. 3 pounds would be 1,700 plus 1,700 plus 1,700. So what operation am I doing? Multiplication. So instead of adding 1,700 17.5 times, I'm going to do 17 5/10, because that's the same as 17.5, times 1,700. I'm going to move my decimal out once, twice, 3 times, and then multiply. 7 times 5 is 35. 7 times 7 is 49, plus 3 is 52. 7 times 1 is 7, plus 5 is 12. Add a 0. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 1 is 1. Add those together. This is 5, 7, 9, 2. And I move my decimal back in 1, 2, 3 times. Okay, so on the moon, Zach's dog is going to be 2,975,000 pounds. Okay, so that's pretty accurate because 1 pound is 1,700 of a pound. That's very, very small. That's not even half a pound yet. So if he's 17.5 pounds, he's not going to weigh that much at all on the moon. So that's just figuring out how much he is on the moon. On Earth, we already know that he's 17.5. So then the question says, how much more does he weigh on Earth than on the moon? All right, so we're going to subtract the Earth weight from minus the moon weight. So the Earth weight we know is 17 5/10, and the moon weight is 2,975,000. I'm going to add my zeros in as placeholders so I can subtract. So we're going to borrow. This is 10, this is 9, this is 4. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 7 is 2. And 4 minus 9, I can't do that. So I need to borrow from the 7. 7 becomes a 6, and this becomes 14. 14 minus 9 is 5. 6 minus 2 is 4. And 1 minus 0 is 1. So we're looking at a difference of 14 and 525 pounds.